Beauty Bond, the science behind the bond. Providing convenience and efficacy in a single adhesive, Beauty Bond has a distinct advantage over other 7th-generation adhesives. With bond strength similar to leading 6th-generation alternatives, Beauty Bond is a one-step self-etch adhesive for a wide range of clinical indications in both anterior and posterior regions. Beauty Bond represents a valuable bonding option for clinicians desiring to limit their patients' postoperative sensitivity. Its unique dual adhesive monomers deliver equal bond strength to enamel and dentin. Apply Beauty Bond in a single coat for shorter working time and film thickness of 5 microns. Featuring a stable unit dose delivery, Beauty Bond is fast and easy to use. A single application of the dual adhesive monomers requires just 30 seconds for a durable, predictable bond. High bond strength can be achieved due to its hema-free composition and incorporation of a new polymerization catalyst. Simply snap off the cap and insert a brush to dispense. Apply Beauty Bond and leave for 10 seconds. Gently air dry for approximately 3 seconds. Then blow with more force and light cure with a halogen light for 10 seconds or an LED curing light for 5 seconds. For educational programs, lecture schedules, or product information, please visit www.shofu.com or call 1-800-827-4638.